everyone, how are you all? Welcome to Math Time with Mehreen Sawant vlog. आज हम लोग करने वाले हैं एसएससी मैथ्स 2 का थर्ड चैप्टर सर्कल का प्रैक्टिस सेट नंबर 3.1 and let us start with that. So children, see the first question is there in front of you. The question is as in figure radius of a circle with a center C is 6 centimeter. Okay, so this is a circle with a center C and the radius is 6 centimeter. Now you know what is the meaning of radius. Yes, a segment from the center of the circle towards the circle, right? So this is the radius and this radius is of 6 centimeter. Line AB is tangent at A. So here this you all can see a tangent and the point of contact is A. The first question is what is the measure of angle CAB and Y? So here you all can see angle CAB, angle CAB. So this measure will be of what will be the angle of angle CAB? So you all can see the angle CAB will be of 90 degree. Why? Because in earlier video we all have seen tangent theorem, and in tangent theorem I said you whenever a radius and a tangent, yes, they meet at a point of contact A, and the angle over here will be of 90 degree, है ना, क्योंकि टेंजेंट थ्योरम हो जाएगा वो. सो उसी को वही हमारा आंसर होगा. दैट विल बी आवर फर्स्ट आंसर. सो आवर सोल्यूशन विल बी एंगल CAB will be of 90 degree and the reason is what? That will be a tangent theorem. So इतना ही है हमारा first question. Let us move to the second question. If you see the second question, what is the distance of point C from AB and Y? What is the distance of point C from AB and Y? Point C जो है, yes, what will be the distance of point C from AB? तो ये distance, तो it is the radius of the circle. The distance of point C from AB will be 6 centimeter. Why it will be 6 centimeter? Because it is the CA is the radius of the circle, right? So here the second answer will be CA is equal to 6 centimeter. Why? Because it is the radius of a circle. रीज़न पूछा है तो रीज़न लिखना बहुत ज़रूरी है. मतलब हमारा फाइनल आंसर कैसा होगा? हमारा फाइनल आंसर होगा, so it will be the distance of point C from AB is 6 centimeter, and earlier we have already written the reason why it will be 6 centimeter, because it is the radius of the circle. तो यहाँ पे ऐसा लिखोगे और इसके आगे लिखोगे it is since it is the radius of the circle तो भी चलेगा, या ऐसा लिखो तो भी चलेगा, दोनों पे मार्क्स मिलेंगे. ठीक है. लेट अस मूव ऑन टू द थर्ड क्वेश्चन डियर चिल्ड्रन. द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज distance of AB is equal to 6 centimeter. So where is our distance AB? This is our distance AB. Okay, this distance of AB, this is also of 6 centimeter. Our question is find the distance of BC. That means we have to find distance of BC. Just join B and C. So when we are joining here, यहाँ लिखना बहुत important है. The first point is join BC. Okay, then you can see that we can apply Pythagoras theorem in this particular figure because it is a right angle triangle, and accordingly we will get distance of BC. So let us solve it. So if you see children, in triangle CAB, angle CAB is 90 degree. Earlier only we have said it is because of tangent theorem. Therefore, as I said you, we can apply Pythagoras theorem in it. Yes, by Pythagoras theorem, CB square, that is hypotenuse square, is equal to one side square plus other side square, right? Just substitute the values. CB square we have to find. CA is 6 का square and AB is also 6 का square. Sorry. Yes, so here it is 36 plus 36, so it is 72. So here it is taking square root on both the sides. Taking square roots. Yes, if we take square root, then this will be, so we can find the prime factors of that. So we, you know the meaning of square root, जोड़ी बना के एक नंबर बाहर. So here you all can see the जोड़ी of 2 is 2, the जोड़ी of 3 is 3, the only remaining number is 2. So here the answer is 6 root 2. Okay, so distance of BC will be 6 root 2 centimeter. You can solve this in other method also. From here 6 square plus 6 square हो जाएगा 2 6 square. ठीक है, यहाँ से मैं बता रही हूँ अदर वे. इफ़ वी टेक द स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ इट, तो ये कैसे दिखेगा 2 और ये 6 का स्क्वायर. फिर ये 6 का स्क्वायर, स्क्वायर एंड स्क्वायर रूट कैंसिल ईच अदर, 6 बाहर आ जाएगा, 2 का कुछ भी नहीं है तो ये हो जाएगा 6 रूट 2. सो इफ़ यू डू इन दिस मैनर देन ऑल्सो यू विल गेट द करेक्ट आंसर. If you are not able to do in this manner, you can solve in this manner and then also you will get the same answer. Okay children, now our last question is what is the measure of angle ABC. If you see ABC in the figure, this is our ABC. We need to find what is this angle. So you see that we have already done in Pythagoras theorem. सेकेंड जो चैप्टर हमारा था उसमें हम लोगों ने देखा क्या है, थ्योरम ऑफ 30 60 90. इफ़ यू ऑल रिमेंबर 30 60 90 एंड थ्योरम ऑफ 45 45 90 वाला थ्योरम हम लोग को याद है. इन दिस पर्टिकुलर फिगर वी नीड टू फाइंड दिस एंगल ABC. तो उसके लिए क्या चाहिए, देखो दिस बोथ द साइड्स आर सेम है ना, तो थोड़ा सा ब्रेन अप्लाई करो. मतलब यहाँ क्या हो जाएगा, ये 45 45 ये जो एंगल होगा वो 45 ही होगा. बट वी हैव टू शो टू द एग्जामिनर कि ये 45 कैसे आएगा. राइट, वी गॉट दिस एंगल एज दिस साइड एज 6 रूट 2 चिल्ड्रन. ओके, ये एंगल फाइंड आउट करना है. तो इसके लिए द साइड अपोजिट टू द एंगल and the hypotenuse we are just going to use it in order to get this angle. So let us start. So children, we need to find angle ABC, right? So ABC के सामने वाली साइड कौन सी है, CA if you see, right? और उसकी hypotenuse क्या है, CB 6 root 2. So I have taken that. Now find the ratio of both this. So ratio अगर find out करेंगे तो CA is equal to CB is equal to 6 upon 6 root 2. So we get 1 upon root 2. Now 1 upon root 2, okay, take this CB on the other side. So it will be CA is equal to 1 upon root 2 CB. But CB is the hypotenuse if you see, right? So therefore by converse of 45 45 90 degree triangle, angle ABC will be of 45 degree. Okay, so for today I have done only one sum for you all. I'm not making a big video for you. We will be doing the second sum in our next we will see the second sum in our next vlog. Okay, so for till then, take care, bye bye. Subscribe my channel, hit the like button. Okay, chalo, Allah Hafiz, bye bye.